Hello beautiful peeps of YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kat and you're watching Planning Calm. And here in this channel I love to share with you all the many ways I can help you plan your way to calm and plan a calmer life. Now in this video I thought I would do a revisit of one of my older videos. This is a planner tote that I got, and I am calling it the cutest on-the-go planner tote you will ever see. And I originally did a video about this months and months ago. I'll throw it up in a card for you if you want to check that out first and then come back and check this one out. But this is the perfect on-the-go planner tote, and I absolutely love it. I still use it. I've kept it in relatively good condition, and so I thought we would have a closer look at how I use it now, an update to how I use it and what I carry in it. So if you're interested to see what I carry on my on-the-go perfect planner tote, then keep on watching. Okay, so this is my planner tote. Now I got this planner tote as a gift, and I believe the person who got it for me got it off of Etsy, but I believe my subscribers have been telling me that you can get this on Amazon. So I will try to link both the Etsy and the Amazon versions for you below, but I love this tote. It is such a cute size. It's practical. It has handle, so you can carry it, and it also has a long handle so you can carry it across your shoulder. Now, to be honest, I carry it over the shoulder, like cross-bodied, when I go to plan on the go. Now, for me, planning is how I stay calm. No surprise there. The channel's called Planning Calm. So I like to take my planning with me on the go to the park, to a coffee shop. I have a cute little kind of Friends-esque bookstore slash coffee shop in my neighborhood that I love to enjoy. And I tell you, there's nothing like having all your planner essentials and a cute little tote that you can carry on the go with you. So let's dive in and see what I have. On the side of the bag, I have just a pink puff, just for some aesthetics, and I have a key. I keep my house keys and car keys in there. And then in the inside of the pouch, there's two sections. It has a little divider down the middle. It zips up closed if you want, you know, a little extra privacy. And it's just such a great little bag. So let's look in, shall we? So the first thing I have is my on-the-go planner. And I love this. This is a Moterm planner, and I just use this to jot down things I need to jot down. It's kind of in a traveler style situation here. I'll throw it up in a card for you so you can check it out, but I absolutely love this. So there's that. And then I also have a I'll just do it this way. I also have a exercise journal. To be honest, I have fallen off the wagon, y'all. I have fallen off the wagon with my exercise regime, and I'm looking to get back on it. I actually was watching a video by Amy Fritz. I'll leave her channel link down below. It was a fantastic video. I've been following Amy since the beginning of her YouTube journey. Absolutely love her channel. And she's recently shared her weight loss journey, and I am inspired. There was no gimmicks, no, crazy diets. It was just a woman with some goals and some exercise and changing up her food. And she just offered such a simplistic way of approaching her weight loss journey that has really motivated me to get started again. So I have my exercise journal in here, and that's just actually a new addition that I added in here. Next, I have my sticker books. I love to keep my sticker books, Once More with Love and the Coffee Monsters Co. stickers, with me at all times, just in case I need it. I've been kind of doing some minimal planning because I've just been in a rush, but I always like to have planner stickers close by. This is my planner slash wallet, and it's by Louis Vuitton, and I actually thrifted this from Poshmark a while back, and I absolutely love it. It's really great, little on-the-go thing. And then next up, I have more stickers. I just keep them in this little pouch I got from, I think, Shein or Temu, one of those places. But I just have extra stickers in here that I love to keep. More stickers. And yeah, I love it. I love that. And then I have this pouch here, again from Temu or Shein, I can't remember. Got it a long time ago. And I keep my lip products in here. So lip balm, lip gloss, all that stuff. Just some tape. I got this from Michael's. And if I want to like tape in some planner stickers. And then on the side here, I have a ruler and my 4 used Tombos right now. I'm doing like an October theme in my hobonichis and my other planners in these colors. And yeah, they're just perfect colors for fall. So there's what's inside. Now inside the pouch is, there's lots of room for you to organize your items. And there's a pouch right here, a pouch on the side, and there's even little slots you can put things in. Super cute. And then this is a bigger pouch towards the front. And then you have your front little pockets with the Micron, let's see, it's the Micron 01 pen as well. So there you have it, my friends. That is what I keep in my perfect planner tote. An updated version of it. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button